show you how to make money with DFI. My name is Alena. You can call me the technology consultant. A lot of people ask me about DFI, whether it is really a way of making money or not, and hence for this video. Before we begin, let's try to know some basic information about this DFI. The word DFI simply stands for Duty Free International. It started in Malaysia by Adam Sani Abdallah in 1978. It has its headquarters at Singapore. It finally came to Ghana here on 28 March 2022. Without wasting my time, let's dive in and I'll show you the process to make money out of this. I'll also leave a link in the description box below where you can use to subscribe to this and also make some money for yourself. First of all, let's look at how the interface of the app looks like. This is it on, as you are seeing on your screen. Watch over your screen. I will project my phone there for you to see. So when you open, it will come this way. This is how the app looks like. So when you open it, you can see the interface. We have the home tab, the VIP. We also have the team and the My. When you're a new user, you first of all come to the My there to bind your account. As you can see at the top here, this is the current balance I'm having on my app. This is the amount that I'm having there. So you first of all bind your account. When you click on the bind account, it will take you to this page. Whether you are using dollars or you are using Ghana cedi, so we are in Ghana, you come to the mobile money aspect. What you are seeing there is my real name, my operator, mobile number, and the channel. The real name, you enter your own personal name, and the operator, you enter the network that you are using. So I'm using Vodafone. I'm going to click on Vodafone to confirm. And with the mobile, I'll use my own number. That's my Vodafone number on the screen. For security reasons, that's why I'm not showing it to you. And the channel, you use the network that you are using. I'm using Vodafone for this, so I'll confirm. Then I'll confirm for this thing to take me back to the My main page. After you bind this account, you then bind your payment password. If you want to receive amount from this, you have to know this password before. When you bind the payment password, when you come as a beginner, it will come, the only two will show. The enter new password and the enter new password again. This one, because I've already registered, that is why you can see enter old pay password. So I'm not going to change my password. For that matter, I'm going back. Yes. You can also scroll through for more information. Let me take you through this aspect. That's the deposit and the withdrawals records. The amount of money that I've deposited into this account and the number of money that I've withdrawn from this account. As you can see them, these are the amount of money that I deposited. You can see here failed or time out, meaning I didn't deposit. When you want to deposit, they will give you 500 seconds to do this transaction. If the 500 seconds elapse and you didn't do anything, it will show you this failed or time out message. As you can see, this one success, meaning I was able to do those deposits. For this one, I was using them to some people. That's why you can see that. So when you come to the withdrawals, you can see these are the money that I've withdrawn. This one paying, meaning it's still loading. I haven't received the money yet, but as you can see, this one success on your screen, meaning I've received this amount of money. This one you can see failed. Maybe my balance was not enough to withdraw that kind of money. If you are enjoying this video already, kindly click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any update from me. If you want to download this app on your phone, you can use the download tab. When you open it, will come this way. You check whether you are using Android or iOS. You follow your phone criteria to download this app. So let me go back. If you want to recharge, if you want to deposit money into your account, you can use the recharge button at the top here to recharge. You can also use this one to withdraw. Let me show you the process on how to recharge your account. When you click on recharge, it will take you to this page. So use the Ghana cedis aspect. We are not in US or wherever where we are using dollars. When you come, the minimum amount that you can deposit is 60 cedis. So if you want to deposit 60 cedis or 100 cedis, let me use 100 cedis for this tutorial. So when you tap on the 100 cedis, you tap on this mobile money one. Then you click on recharge. It will come this way, successful. So you tap on the network that you are using, whether Momo or Vodafone, that you want to use and transfer the money. So I'm to use mobile money for this tutorial. So you can click on Momo, then you click OK. When it comes, they will give you these details. So you note the recipient and the account number, the reference number, and the amount. So the amount that you see here, that is the same amount that you are going to send. Don't input 100 cedis and go and send 60 cedis to this account. You know the reference. When you are sending, they give you reference. You copy this one and go and paste it there. So I'm not going to make any payment for now. As you can see, the number counting at the top. The seconds is counting down. So when it's finished counting and I didn't deposit any money, they will give me the time out. So now let's come back to the home page and let me show you something. As you can see on the home page, you can see number of teams and the team income. These are the number of members that I've invited into this particular business, and these are the number of money that I'm making out of it. You can see the level 1 and the level 2. The level 1 simply means that the people that I've invited by myself, and the level 2 means that people that the person that I invited also invited. They are my level 2 team members. They have a reward here for you. If you're able to invite 3 people to join this business, they will give you 15 cedis for free. You can go through for yourself. If you're able to withdraw, if you're able to invite 5 people, they will give you 30 cedis for free in that order. You can go through them because we have no much time. So now let's come back to the VIP tab. So when you come to the VIP tab, this is where you can subscribe to other VIPs. As you can see on this VIP, I'm on level 4. So I can't subscribe to any VIP again. I'm on the highest level. So I'm going to project my PC screen on this and on your screen for you, and I'll use a different account which is on level 1 to show you this process. So when you come, as you can see on my PC screen, you can see click to subscribe to level 2 member. And if you want to subscribe to level 2 member, you pay 20 cedis. The level 1, if you want to subscribe, is only 5 cedis. So if you are level 1 and you want to come to level 2, that means that you pay only 15 cedis to come to level 2. So you can see the levels and the amount associated with them. You can check through them and you check your wallet, then you deposit the amount that you want. Now let's come back to the home page. When you finish your deposit and all those stuff, you click on this tax-free haul. It will take you to this page where you see the levels. These are the levels of individuals we have on this platform. We have from level 0 to level 4. When you're a beginner, you are on level 0. With that one, when you begin, they'll give you 5 cedis for free. So you move to level 1, level 2 to level 4 in that order. So when you are in level 0, you can only buy 5 cedis goods, and when you are in VIP 1, you can use 70s. When you are in VIP 1, you can use 57 Ghana cedis to purchase these goods, and it will take you 12 hours before you can get your money back. And when it is coming back, you get 2 cedis 28 pesos in addition to the main money. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from me. I remain your technology consultant. See you in my next video.